To cancel a line on the Verizon app, start by navigating to the Manage Lines section. Select the specific phone number or data plan you wish to remove. Confirm the cancellation and choose whether to keep or return any associated devices. Cancellations are permanent within 24 to 48 hours for prepaid lines, while postpaid lines may involve final billing cycles. The app will provide notifications regarding fees, data usage, and service end date. Two-factor authentication will be required to verify account ownership during the cancellation process. Ensure there are no outstanding balances, as these can prevent the cancellation from processing. The app also offers step-by-step tutorials to guide you, minimizing potential errors. An early termination fee, or ETF, may apply to postpaid plans canceled before the contract end date. This fee is generally around $175 per line. However, waivers are available for specific circumstances. These include account holders over 65, active military personnel with relocation orders, or those facing economic hardship. All waivers require verification. Prepaid plans do not incur early termination fees, as they operate on a month-to-month basis without contracts. If you wish to transfer your number to another carrier, such as AT&T or T-Mobile, this process is called porting. The app allows you to generate a porting authorization code, or PAC. You'll need to provide this PAC, along with your Verizon account number, to the new carrier to initiate the transfer. Number porting is typically streamlined. The process involves validation, deactivation, and routing updates between carriers. You should receive SMS confirmations regarding the transfer status throughout the process. Upon cancellation, any shared data plans will redistribute usage among the remaining active lines.